So welcome students. In this question you're given that limit x tends to infinity 1 plus a by x plus b by x square whole power 2x is equal to e square. If that is so, what are the values of a and b? So now as x tends to infinity 1 by x tends to 0, right? So let 1 by x is equal to t. So what does this limit becomes? Limit t tends to 0 1 plus at plus bt square whole power 2 by t, right? That is equal to, as you can see, as t tends to 0, where does at plus bt square go? At plus bt square also tends to 0. We have a formula which says that limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is equal to e. So if something tends to 0, 1 plus something whole power 1 by same thing is equal to e. So now this whole part is going to 0, right? So limit t tends to 0, 1 plus at plus bt square whole power. So what I do is I'll write 1 by at plus bt square here, and I'll again multiply it with at plus bt square. At plus bt square, effectively I have not done anything. I have multiplied and divided with at plus bt square. So you have a 2 by t extra into 2 by t. So this is nothing but, so this becomes e. So e power limit t tends to 0, at plus bt square 2 by t. That's the value of the limit. That is equal to e power 2 times limit t tends to 0. So if I take a t common, I get a plus bt. So this is the value of this limit. And this is given as e square. So if you equate these two, so you get limit t tends to 0, a plus bt has to be equal to 1, right? Because e square is already there, this has to be equal to 1. And this limit is nothing but a. So a has to be equal to 1. And b, does it really matter what b is? So b is combined with t where t tends to 0. So whatever b is, this limit is always equal to a. So a should be equal to 1 and b can be any real number. So that's the answer to this question. Thank you.